Hey everyone, welcome back to new content of Cybrosys. In today's video, we're going to discuss about how to preview the product variants on shop page in Odoo 19 website module. So let's dive into the website module, and from here you can find the site. From there we can consider the product over here. From here I would like to consider the product conference chair, and conference chair has got variants. So here you can see that it has got different variants such as steel and aluminum. So till previous versions of Odoo, we know that even if we select the variants from the shop page, we can only find this image. Currently you can see that the conference chair with the variant legs as steel is selected. And when I just switch to the legs aluminum, here you can see or preview the image and how it look like will be appear in the screen. So if you want to zoom each area of the item to know the preview with higher quality image, you can also get that in Odoo 19. So this is one of the new changes that you can find under Odoo 19. So if you find this video informative, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. If you want Odoo customization, Odoo implementation and Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybrosys. As always, stay awesome and thank you for watching the video.